This is the Centr recovery kit. They did gift this to me and just want to show what's in the box. Centr makes a lot of cool fitness equipment with Chris Hemsworth. And I want to see what's in this fancy dancy recovery kit. What's it like? What's the quality? How's it feel? And is Chris Hemsworth in here or not? Oh, he is. It's focusing on that Chris Hemsworth. But there's Chris everywhere, man. So inside we got a massage roller right here. This is really good where you can just take it, place it on your quads, be able to roll it out. Ooh, self-massaging device like that. This is a roller, pretty well built. It's got ridges on the sides. It says Centr right here. It's hollow, obviously, on the inside. It's a little heavier than like the Amazon ones that I've felt, but the material on the outside feels good. This is something that you could roll at home with. I like that it's small. It's easy to use, and you can just put it by your bed. Then we've got a larger ball with ridges as well for self-massage. A spiky ball. Ooh, this could feel good on your feet or any other areas needed. Comes with a little bag carrying case, and then some yoga straps for stretching. There we go. It's a foam roller, lacrosse ball, massage bar, spiky ball, stretch strap, and a trigger point ball, all inside this box. Thank you for sending it over. If you want to see further videos on Centr products and devices, let me know. Subscribe, turn on notifications, follow me at Shervin Shares. Links are down below. See you in the next one. Peace.